So I'm gonna whip up another meal, just another quick breakfast. I usually intermittent fast, so I think it's almost a must for keto. It really helped me understand my hunger. So, and it's just getting easier and easier as I go along. So what that is basically you start out with skipping breakfast. It's really that simple. I'll explain that, in further videos. But what I'm doing today is I have some cauliflower already chopped up in the mix. I'm going to make a hash brown out of that with some scrambled eggs and with a quick Hollandaise sauce. And this is just whipping up a quick breakfast. And, with the Hollandaise, with the egg yolks and the butter, you're getting a lot of fat in this meal. And what this does, it makes it so easy to fast the next day. I'm down to, a lot of times I will fast for 20 hours and only eat in a 4-hour window, and that's been working out fantastic for me. So I didn't start that way. What I started out was just skipping breakfast. But if you have quite a bit of fat in your meal before, the day before, it's really pretty easy to skip breakfast. So I'm gonna whip up some food real quick, and then we'll get on to other videos later on. Thanks. I have my ingredients out, basically. Let's see if I got everything. Here's my cauliflower creation. All I do is I throw cauliflower on a sheet pan and I roast it with some olive oil. And then I throw it in this, I chop it up, just the best you can. I have very big pieces on here. Now if I was maybe serving it for guests or something, I might, chop it up finer, but this is just for me, so bigger chunks is fine. And what's in here, I've done it before, this has 2 flax chai blend tablespoons. It has 3 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese and 2 eggs, and probably some black pepper and salt. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I salt and peppered it. All right, so this is gonna be my hash brown. We're gonna set that aside right now. And my little food processor, I have 2 egg yolks. And then I have some 2 eggs in here with a little bit of heavy cream in there to make my scrambled eggs. I have ghee for my hash brown, so the pan's heating up right now. Ghee, all that is just clarified butter without the extra stuff. It's just the oil, basically. It doesn't have the milk fats and the salt and that type of stuff. So it's better for cooking with. So, a little bit of ghee in there. I know it sounds kind of funny, ghee. And then I have 1 stick of Kerrygold grass-fed butter in here. So I'm doing 2 egg yolks and 1 stick of butter. I could actually probably have even a little more. Depends on the size of your egg yolks. These egg yolks were kind of big. If you have large but not jumbo, 1 stick of butter is fine. Now I have done this and I've burnt the butter. You want the butter hot and boiling when you add it to your sauce. I've mentioned this before, but I'll mention it again. I got this little food processor from Walmart. Quite frankly, it's a little piece of junk, but it does the job for this and probably only that. And what I like about it, if I can get it on there right, is the size of it. It's real easy to clean up, and it does the job for this, for what I'm doing. Now I usually put lemon juice in this, but I don't have, so I'm using I don't have any lemons. So right now I'm just using some rice vinegar. You want an acid in here. This is maybe I don't even want to put that much in there. Let's go with a ½ teaspoon. Yeah. We're gonna go a ½ teaspoon of rice wine vinegar. Like I said, usually with a recipe like that, I normally use lemon juice, but my butter into this as hot as possible, and I want to go really slow. So being able to pour right from the pan's pretty good. Only mistake you really can make with this is just going too fast, and almost going too fast right there. I need to slow it down a little bit. And you just slowly pour in the butter. Because I didn't have any, I'm going to just use rice wine vinegar. You want an acid in there, like I said. All right, so my hash brown's been cooking. Kind of looks like a hash brown, right? Usually I like to clean my pan up a little bit more, but like I said, it's just for me. I'm just throwing it in just to save a pan and save some time. Scrambling up some eggs. I have cream in here. I have my hash brown. Kind of looks like a hash brown, right? They're really good. I mean, if you give me the choice between this and a regular potato hash brown, I would probably just as well take the, take this. It's really good. I'm putting my egg right on top of the cauliflower, and time for my sauce. Like I said, this sauce loaded with fat. And I think one big mistake that a lot of people make is they do not get enough fat, especially when they start with the diet. I just think this is probably a healthier way than eating bacon and sausage and, cheeseburgers without the bun from McDonald's or something. And I might add some pepper. Let me give it a taste. It's delicious. Really filling and satisfying. I'm gonna add some drops of cayenne. This is just my choice, And really is a quick, easy breakfast. Now, if you told somebody you made Hollandaise sauce quick breakfast, they would think you're nuts, but this is just a good way to get your fat in. And I use the best eggs I can use, and I use grass-fed butter. So I thought I was recording, and maybe I wasn't this whole time. That sucks. So anyway, I took my rest of my Hollandaise sauce. I think I'm just gonna have to do this over again. Added some capers and forget